One term we'll run across a lot in this course is symbiosis, which is an ecological term that primarily means living together. When we have two or more species that are living together in very close relationship. There are several forms of this, and a couple of these come up this chapter, so we need to kind of look at them. One is amensalism, mutualism, commensalism, and parasitism. They differ based upon the way in which the organisms interact with each other. With amensalism, one organism is harmed and the other has no effect. There are a number of kinds of plants that actually produce chemicals that go out into the soil and prevent other plants' seeds from sprouting. This is an example of amensalism. With mutualism, both members of the symbiotic relationship benefit. They both get something out of it. A very good example of this are the sort of group organisms we call lichens. We actually give them scientific names, but they are actually a combination of a species of fungus and a species of either an algae or a cyanobacteria, a blue-green algae, that live together. The fungus provides moisture, dissolves rock matrix material to get minerals and nutrients for the algae. The algae carries on photosynthesis and produces food for the fungus, so they both benefit. In commensalism, one benefits and the other is not harmed. There's an awful lot of organisms that will live in close conjunction with another organism and use it for some particular purpose without doing direct harm to it. We could look at something as simple as a species of bird that builds its nest by piling twigs on the branches of a limb, does no harm to the limb whatsoever, raises its young, takes advantage of the tree, and then leaves. All the way up to certain kinds of organisms that live on a regular basis in conjunction with other organisms, taking advantage of possibly their burrows and other habitat. Finally, parasitism is when one member benefits and the other is harmed. Tapeworms, fleas, lice, these are things that are parasites. They derive their food by taking nutrients from another kind of species. Let's quit there.